Well, state leaders continue pushing a proposed bill that would swap sales tax in order to cut down on your property tax.
However, the El Paso Commissioner's Court is disapproving the proposal, saying it would negatively impact those who make less money. KTSM 9 News reporter Tatiana Favela is live to explain their efforts to stop this bill.
The bill proposes 1 cent to be added onto sales taxes in Texas, but county commissioners see this as an unfair taxation, especially for those who don't meet a certain level of income.
We wanted to send a letter to our delegation and to other important parties within the state legislature to let them know that we're opposed to any type of sales tax increase because it's a regressive form of taxation.
El Paso County Commissioners unanimously voted to oppose a bill proposed by Governor Greg Abbott, Lieutenant Dan Patrick, and House Speaker Dennis Bonnen that would allow 1 penny to be added onto sales tax in the state in order to bring down property tax values. Commissioner David Stout tells KTSM the bill would affect those at lower income levels.
That's regressive, and that's something that we think would be negative for the people that live in El Paso.
Stout says there are other efforts happening at the state legislature that could provide tax relief for people. However, this bill is not the answer, especially for El Pasoans.
Somebody who may make $20,000 a year has to pay the same for a gallon of milk as somebody who may make $200,000 a year. And so that additional sales tax affects them more because it's a larger percentage of what they have in their discretionary or in their income.
According to the Legislative Budget Board, an agency that calculates financial impacts of different bills, those who make under $99,000 a year would see a tax increase. People who make between $99,000 and $149,000 a year would see a very minimal reduction in property taxes, leaving those who have higher income levels the only ones to see any gain.
For folks that make above $150,000 a year, they would be the most, they would receive the most benefit. How is that fair? It's not.
The county's letter of opposition should be sent by today, as the bill is expected to be heard on the House floor tomorrow. Now, if this bill does pass, voters have the decision to either approve or disapprove by the November election. Live in the newsroom, Tatiana Favela, KTSM 9 News.